I apply for jobs every day, but my inbox. If this feels familiar to you, don't skip this video. In this video, we'll talk about the India's biggest career fair of the 2026, which is by Naukri. You must be knowing it's a job portal. Here we'll decode some important things. Also, you'll be getting some cool prizes and getting a one-to-one mentorship over here. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming to the page directly, they have mentioned that India's largest virtual career fair for students will be live very soon. Okay, it will be live from March, and you'll be getting a chance to get 25k, means 25,000 plus career jobs, including 20 plus mentors, means who are already working on that tech field or whatever field you are aspiring. There you'll be getting one-to-one guidance, okay, via video call, via text, everything. Apart from this, you'll be getting goodies more than 5 lakhs rupees. So it will be starting for 1st of March. And how to apply, let me just share you. But before it, let's explore what we are getting. You are getting 25k plus opportunities apart from this one-to-one mentorship and all these things over here. And who should enroll in this program? Okay, the criteria is that students from all UG courses graduating in 2025, 2026, 2029. Even if you are already graduated, then also you can try your luck. Now here you'll be getting all these things like access to India's largest career fresher jobs. Apart from this, unlimited access to the AI tools, and you'll be getting your performance certificates based on your CV, etc. And you'll be getting the goodies also. Okay, so here, so let's see the timeline, that the registration is open from 27th of January. Okay, and the career fair, means it's career fair, you can say career mela, will be live from 11th till 15th of March. And there'll be some cool challenges over there. Okay, about the challenges, I'll make a video when the challenge will be live. And after that, on 18th of March, there'll be goodies announcement, like what kind of goodies you'll be getting. So you can simply participate over here. You have to simply click on enroll over here. So just click on enroll over here and enter your all your details. Okay, you can use your Gmail login. Simply just sign in and just register over here. Okay, after that you have to simply enter your details. Basically it's a registration form. You have to fill it with your all your details, upload your CV, etc. And once you are set, you are ready, all the notifications will be sent to you via your email. And let's cover some of the COP FAQs so that it will be easier for you to understand. So here are some common FAQs. So what is Career Fair 2026? It's the largest virtual career fair for students. It will be offering whatever we have told, that access to 25,000 plus entry level jobs with free AI career tools. Who can participate? It's open to all undergraduate from 2025 to 2029. Even if it is not open for 2024, you can still try. There are multiple jobs option already available in the Naukri. You can try. Okay, now here you can just see the criteria is here, and it's free of cost. You don't have to pay a single penny over here. What kind of jobs are available? More than different domains, like here we have entry level jobs also curated for both freshers and finals, means whether you are from different stream. You can clearly see they have mentioned BCA, BCom, BA. So all streams will be streamlined, means whatever jobs you are aspiring, you can just filter it and just select and apply, which will be live in the career fair. There will be a list of companies with their job roles, and you have to simply apply over there. Now how it will be helping, all these things are there. It's an online event. Can I apply for multiple jobs? You can apply. And what is career performance certificate? So it's a normal, there will be some task and activities. When you complete it, you'll be getting a badge on your profile. Also you'll be getting some certificates over here. So they have mentioned non-engineering students, which I already covered. If you are from BA and BSc, most of you are non-engineering only, so you can also take part in it, and make sure to take part in it. It's very simple. Simply click on the enroll option. I've shared the link in the description. Participate and win the cool goodies and just uplift your career.